Hey friends, welcome back. I am in Isfahan, here in the beautiful country of Iran. And to be exact, I am in the Grand Bazaar. Actually, I wasn't planning to vlog this video, but I was like, I gotta start it because this is new, you know? So today, I'm not sure this video, what is it about, but I wanna explore this Grand Bazaar section of Isfahan Bazaar, the Grand Bazaar. The previous video I gave like a quick look, but right now I'm noticing there's more to see in the bazaar, and I'm just walking along and just like looking around me, you know, like it's different. We've got like some restaurant here. Look how beautiful this restaurant is, and other shops like selling different things. So we went off the main kind of things that they sell originally in bazaars, you know. This is like more like kind of homey kind of stuff that we can get. The bazaar here is very beautiful. Check out the ceiling, and you can see the hole in on the ceiling there. This is like the daylight that provided for us here. In the past, there used not to be any electricity, and on the sides as well. This is actually new. I haven't seen that before. It's just like a different style of where like the square is all around, well actually a rectangle all around where the bazaar is. And for me, like, I thought that was quite interesting. So that's why I was like, you know, why not kick off with this video? I somehow, the way how I walked, I got back into like where the square is. And so like I'm in the main kind of bazaar area where everybody goes to, which is quite entertaining as well to be here. And you can see the square where I am. I'm like, you can see like I'm getting outside. And there is the square area here. But the mission is, I'm hungry and I want to get something to eat. But I do want to find a restaurant that it's got something into it, and obviously I want local food. So let's try and find that. I'm not sure where I can find it, but we'll try and get it. But have a look at this gate actually, since I think in the previous video I didn't actually capture it. So have a look at this gate here. See that gate there? You can enter at that side here, and you enter the bazaar all the way this way or that way. But I also like didn't know that from inside you can even go further, so it's not just like the rectangle that we're looking at around the square. Anyway, that was a quick shot. I wanted to capture it, but now let's go and find some traditional local food, something with a vibe in it. Honestly, I have no idea where I'm gonna go, so I need to find it first. I don't know. When I see it, I know usually. This is a restaurant here. There's a live music. It's interesting, but no. I want something outside. It's a really nice day today, and I'd like to be sitting in a garden if that's possible, at least, you know. Look where I'm walking. It's very beautiful. There is another art restaurant there. Let's go and check it out. But it'd be nice if we can get something outside, terrace. Right, so I walked in the last shot around. I got to Main Street, and I was like, I don't want to leave this area where the square is. So I came back towards the square. The square is just there. So if I go through this gate now, I'll enter the square again, and the mosque is here on the right. But on the way, I noticed this place. And this place, it says traditional tea house, but I'm hoping, because I see like food pictures here, I am hoping for something to eat. Is it downstairs or upstairs? That's a question. Looks like it is downstairs, and I hear music. And I see people. Look at this space. Oh, very cool. But this is not for food though. Salam.
Unfortunately, this is a shisha. I love the shisha. The Iranian shisha is amazing. Salam. It's very interesting, but it's not the environment I was looking for to have something to eat. I asked the girl was saying yes, you can eat. But what is going on upstairs? No one here. You got a beautiful view to the mosque there. Anyway, okay, let's get out of here. I'm very determined, although I'm really hungry. But I'm determined to find what I'm looking for. Back to the square. It's not a good idea though. No, actually I have to go the opposite. It's not a good idea. It's all bazaar, like maybe there's a hidden place, but I don't think I can find it. I'm gonna find something. Now this is the mission. So I did get out of like kinda a little bit away from the square. Not so far. This area here is a car park. And look at this for a view here. It's amazing actually, the back of the mosque. If you missed the video, it's the previous video that I have published on the channel. Visited this mosque and some parts of the bazaar. But I did see a sign, you can see it here, that says Kiryas Cafe and Restaurant, and I'm really targeting that. Yeah, I have a good feeling about this actually. I hope so. There you go, look. What a gorgeous view. Wow. Amazing. And I think this is it. And looks amazing. I'm sure like some people, like some places here are usually like, it says cafe but they serve food. I can see two girls are eating food, so I am in the jackpot of finding. Look at this for a view. Salam. Wow, look at that. Let's see if we can order food here. Wow, that's so nice though. Look at that. Amazing. And that says cafe there. And oh yeah, mother load of jackpots. Salam. Hi. Can I like, do you have English menu?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Look at this place. Jackpot. Amazing. Right, the restaurant is really good. But I was talking to these two girls outside, and you know what? Where they're sitting, I take it over anything else. So what I'm gonna do is I asked them what they ordered, but they didn't order from the restaurant inside where I was. Actually, the prices in this restaurant wasn't so bad either. Like you can get, like the quality of this restaurant is amazing. Hello. Hello. But the seating, the quality, the style, everything is incredible, and it's kind of what I was looking for. But I don't know, there's something about this view that I'm more attracted to, and I don't mind, like, you know, sitting there by myself and eating a sandwich. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get back to the alley where the girls bought their sandwich. I'm gonna get it and come back and sit here and enjoy. I think that's the idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. Yeah, that's definitely the one the girls ordered from. This one here looks like a small restaurant. Look, I see the guys like some people outside are eating. Yeah, let's get something from here. But the problem is, like, there's no menu. Salam. You have menu here? No? What do you make? Sandwich? What sandwich what? Okay, one sandwich chicken, please. Yeah, how much is it? Oh, look how tiny it is from inside. I love it. And this is the price. 64 for a chicken sandwich. 64. Okay, I'll pay. Right, we ordered there is the receipt. 64. Actually, she took 65 because she doesn't have a change. That is an equivalent of about, let's say, $1 and no, actually, let's say about $2. Yeah. Salam. Good. How are you? Yeah. How's your food? Is it sausage? Is it? Oh,
Sausage with cheese.
sausage with cheese. The cheese is inside. Oh, I got the chicken. I didn't know there's sausage with cheese.
Its name is Krakow.
Krakow. Ah, very nice. Amazing. Where are you guys from? Isfahan? Shiraz? Oh, I go next to Shiraz. Is Shiraz good? I am from Ireland. Yeah. Is Shiraz good? Which is better, Isfahan or Shiraz? Right, the plan is working well. I got my goodies and I'm gonna go back into that table and I wanna sit there. I hope nobody actually says anything to me, especially from the restaurant, but they rarely come out. Anyway, I'm gonna make my way there in a momentarily and we will give this food a taste test. It was a chicken sandwich is what I ordered. Let's see what's it like, and I'll show you the way how they actually wrap it and everything. It's incredible. The service just keeps impressing me constantly. Whatever they do here, the Iranians are doing it all over differently. There is my table staring at me. Look at this, man. This is a nice hotel, and look at that for a view. How could you not choose to sit here? It's incredible. Very beautiful. Look at the way how they packed it, right? First thing first is the sandwich. I'm not gonna open it just yet. That's the packaging. It's incredible, I think. Amazing. And I got a ketchup and this little bottle of hot sauce. And not sure what this is. Oh, this is like tissues inside. Napkins. Nice. Let's dig in. Oh wow, it does actually look good. There it is. I open it up just to check. I'm gonna put the ketchup and the hot sauce and then I'm gonna wrap it and give it a taste test. Right, taste test. Wow, the seasoning with the chicken is amazing. And I just put it like the hot sauce. I love the bottle. It's made of glass, by the way. Amazing. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this, and I think I'm gonna end the video in a special place that I really wanted to always go and visit, that somebody here told me about, and it's a cafe. I'll probably grab a drink there and we'll end the video. Alright, just finished the food and I'm on my way to this cafe. I want to grab a drink and then we will show the cafe and then we'll put an end to this video. But look at the view behind me. It's a beautiful square. Like, I mean, it's the main thing what you come and see here in Isfahan for sure. I have give a tour in the previous video. I don't want to give that one in this video, but I will give just a very quick shot of it. You can see here, this is the main mosque that I visited. If you're interested in checking it out, link is below. And all this here is the bazaar. There's another mosque and all this is the yard. That's the square. Very, very beautiful. I love it. Salam. He was staring at me, but as well, like, he might think I'm Persian as well. Right, let's go to the cafe. Alright, here we are. Oh my god, look how busy it is. Oh, look at that for an entrance though. Ridiculous. So the entrance is there. Are you guys waiting for the cafe? all everybody here. Wow. Right. Oof. I was waiting for about like 10-15 minutes there, and the queue is not even moving. Unfortunately, I think I'll come back to this cafe, but on this video it will not be presented and shown. But if you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you have not subscribed already. Give the video a thumbs up, it helps with the algorithms, and as always, see you on the next one.